Welcome to It's a Missy Thing, finding beauty, humor, and fun in everyday life. So yesterday I decided that I wanted to try some false eyelashes. Well, they have magnetic ones now, so I thought, how hard can this be, right? So I got some magnetic falsies and decided I would take you guys on the journey with me for trying to put these things on. Okay, so here is what we're going to do today. Now, I do want to make sure that you understand this is not a how-to tutorial. This is I'm going to try these like I've seen other women putting these on in their tutorials, and we're going to see if they work. And then if, it works and isn't horribly tragic, then I'll do a tutorial on, hey, here's, but for now we're just gonna figure this out together. Seriously, we're just gonna learn it together. I have the Kiss Faux Mink Entice lashes, and I think I got these at Target, but I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon, so I'm gonna put a link to these down below. And then it came with the magnetic eyeliner. So, easy peasy, supposed to be. You just put on the beautiful black magnetic eyeliner, let it dry, the lashes pop right on, and you go. We'll see. I'm going to take this black magnetic liner, and it's a liquid liner. It's on a very so I'm going to try not to open my eye anymore. That eye. That is not my winking eye, so I can't even get my eye open to look at you. Yeah, that went on fairly easy, I think. I don't know if I need to have a thicker line of it. Did I just slap it up at the top? So I picked these eyelashes up. I'm just going to use my finger because I think that's just going to be easier for me in the long run. But yeah, it's got these little teeny magnetic strip behind it. So the claim is you just put this down and it gets on the eyeliner and you're good to go. Let's see if it's that easy. Connected that time. Hello? What? Okay, maybe I need a thicker line of the magnetic eyeliner. Let's just, oh my. Well, I did say a thicker line, didn't I? This is probably going to be an absolute disaster. See, this is what I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna fix that inner corner too, hopefully. Okay, let's see now if this is gonna do any better. I have a caterpillar on my eyelid. That just seems a little crazy to me. And maybe, once I get my hair from being, I think I definitely need bigger hair to tone down. But when I got these, I did say, well, this if I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna try this, well then I want to do this, go big or go home. So I don't know. Let's do the other eye and see. They're definitely stuck this time. They're on there. I can feel that they are, they are attached. This is always the harder eye anyway. Now the trick is to let that dry without making a mess. So let's see. I don't know if we need to trim these or not. I guess. Okay. All right. So here goes. Say I've ever seen anybody do it. Take 2 hands. Okay, they feel like they're on there now. Of course, now the other one looks like it needs to be trimmed. All right. Oh, golly. You know what? I think I just messed up big time. For Pete's sake. would say right now, going into it, this is way more trouble than it's. Okay, let's see what we got. Goodness gracious. I don't think I have the kind of time or the patience it takes for falsies. Now see, this felt better the first time. I don't like the way it feels now. Okay, that's a little better. Maybe that's what I didn't have that end anchored down as tightly as it needed to be. Maybe it, when you, of course I got some tragic hair going. I haven't done anything with it this morning, as you can probably tell. All right, what do you think? I'm not too sure about it myself. They did what they say, that you put the magnetic liner on there and then they just pop in there on that liner and you go, and that is true. They did that. I think we definitely need mascara on the bottom lashes to balance it out a little bit. Maybe that's what we're missing, so let's try that. Oh my God, that made it worse. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. No. Well, there we go. That was an easy fix, thankfully. All right, now let's try. What do you think? They were easy. It's new to you, and the first few times you do it, it is going to feel awkward and unnatural and kind of crazy. But the more you do it and the more comfortable you get with it, you'll kind of settle in and it won't seem that much like an ordeal, and you'll get faster at it. I mean, obviously, I've been sitting here for close to an hour messing with eyelashes. And once you get enough of the liner on there, and then you get the eyelashes trimmed to the right size for you, you can feel them when they snap into place. And so here they are. All right, I'll be back. So that was an adventure in falsies. You will see I don't have them on today. It was, I think, my choice of these really full fanned out lashes were a little bit too much for my first time out of the gate with them. I left the studio and I walked over to my husband's desk, and the first thing he said was, "What did you do to your eyes? What do you have on your eyes?" And so I told him, this is the thing that I was filming today with false eyelashes. And he was like, "Yeah, no, I can't even have a conversation with you right now. You're gonna have to take those things off." I think they do better on video than maybe in person, those particular ones I had on. So I ended up not wearing them for very long, but they did feel comfortable once I got them on somewhat correctly, and I will probably give it a try again in the future. If any of you have a particular favorite false eyelash, I would love to experiment with different kinds and find some lashes that maybe aren't quite so startling on, my face. So anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Join me as I look for humor, beauty, and fun in everyday life. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.